Zakir sir, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
You had a fantastic time inside on the stage. So, what was the idea there when you were going on stage?
So the idea is the partners are generally bored listening a lot of technical stuff and company status and all. So I thought the entertainment and little making light sessions are always good.
Right.
You can carry your message to them. So we are a distributor. We look for partners. We work with partners. It's
Right.
win-win for both of us. So we try to bring in some humor to it. Have some fun along the way, and it carries the language. Nobody's tense,
Right.
nobody's worked up. Pressure नहीं आता है, चाय पीने का दिल नहीं करते, आप आराम से बैठ के सुन सकते हो.
बिल्कुल.
So that is what we try to bring in, and I think we have been
Yes,
somehow
sir.
successful in
Yes, sir. Because I've seen because you went to the day to almost last slot,
Yes,
but
I was the last one, yeah.
the kind of energy you brought in with your team, the slides and the Pandit sir. So it was awesome, sir. As a media, we enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Moving to your main, you participated here, and this is I think last year also you were there. So how do you see the kind of association every year you're participating at Synergy?
So we are also a member of Asset, and at the same time we bring in every year we come as a sponsor because we do a lot of products, and it requires all the products. We cannot go to each and every door and explain. Sometimes it's necessary that the vendor also comes in. He gets the chance to meet. So we have 2 vendors with us over here, and they get a chance to meet all the partners from Mumbai. So there's a very close-knit communities there in
Right.
Mumbai, the partners, and they love to network with each other, and it helps us because we know each one of them personally from many years.
Right.
But whenever we meet here, there is always something which is left behind.
Right.
अरे ये तो बताया नहीं था, ये तो बोला नहीं, अरे ये भी करता है. तो ये मौका मिलता है कि स्टेज पे हमारा प्रोडक्ट रेंज बताने को, बूथ में हमारा प्रोडक्ट बताने को.
जी.
At the same time, bring in few vendors, get them introduced to the partners who are
Right.
doing business with you. So it works both the ways. I think the partners get the knowledge base, they get to see the vendors who are there, and for us, it we are able to showcase our new solutions.
Correct.
Confirm that we are still there in the
Right,
market.
sir. And so I have seen your journey, sir. Okay, now 2016 until so far, you have worked really hard, going out of India also, making us proud as an Indian company that you are growing very well. I can see you were talking about the Indian brands. You are picking up the smaller brands. So what is that philosophy you're working on?
So lot of good tech people are there in India, and they are making some fantastic product. The problem is they don't have the budgets, or many times they are only looking for investors. They want to sell off, or they want investments. But there are some good companies who have made it and they want to make big. But these guys are generally from the technical side. They're not from marketing side. They cannot market their product. But this product can compete with the best of the best in the world. So what we do, we identify them, and then we tell them, okay, you do what you are good in. I will do what I am good in. This way we can work in a better way and in a longer duration. And when you are also growing, we will grow in the market.
Right.
So when we go to a partner, we also tell them, it's a new product, fantastic technology, good support, good money. Let's start pitching it to your customers.
Right, sir.
And so as an alternative brand, so we are proud that we are an alternative brand distributor for all the top brands. We have a competing brand which is equally good. They may not be marketed well or available in Gartners and all those things, but they can compete with any of the best brands, and they bring value for money. And there's value for money for the partner also, for the distributor also, and for the vendor, and of course for the customer.
Right.
Because they get a good product, maybe 50%, 70% cheaper than the one they are going to buy. So it has always been a successful journey. We have tied up with quite a few new vendors, and we have been successful in all these years.
Great.
With all of them, yeah.
One more thing, I saw the Vigyan Labs CEO was there in the morning.
Yes.
You invited him for a presentation here.
Yeah.
It was awesome to see the product and the potential what they are sharing, what he has shared on the stage. I visited the booth also. I saw the product, AI product there. So what is your expectations? Why you have chosen this company? Because
again,
it's the first hardware, I guess.
So as I said, this company has been having a lot of innovative products. The power saver software that they are doing are used in lakhs of users they have in banks, and I think SBI, ICICI Bank are using it. And they have some very good products. But once again, they are not into marketing. These are pure technical genius guys. And this solution is already in IIT Powai, in IIT Nagpur, what you were saying about, in Indian Post.
Aadhaar started on that something.
They already bought it because, putting your data at risk on a chat GPT or an cloud is very difficult. So if you have your own AI box, and your thousands of your users are able to use that without your data, without internet, without your data being leaked outside, it's a fantastic product. So that's what we told him, that he has to come and explain this, let people know that something like this exists, because right now everybody asks us, how do I protect from chat GPT or from this AI thing, because मेरा data बाहर चले जाएगा, हमारा
आणि
एम्प्लॉय
गवर्नमेंट का
डाल
भी सर
देता है.
सॉवरेन का जो आया है अभी.
So these guys are very much, they have Aadhaar, they are working with lot of government department. They are based out of Mysuru, IITians, tech brains, fantastic solutions. We are helping them bring it into the market.
राइट सर, आई कैन सी द पोटेंशियल बिकॉज यू नो दिस इज द राइट टाइम, क्योंकि पैसा उधर बहुत लग रहा है उस इंफ्रा को बनाने में, और इस इंफ्रा से अपना काम अगर इतना सस्ते में हो सकता है. सस्टेनेबिलिटी एक चैलेंज है हमारे लिए, तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ ग्रेट सोल्यूशन एंड दिस इज अ ग्रेट टाई अप. हाउ यू आर गोना प्रमोट दिस, बिकॉज यू नो यू ऑलरेडी इन द सॉफ्टवेयर, दिस इज समथिंग हार्डवेयर.
So no, well, it's an appliance made in
Okay.
India, so we don't have to do all those testings, BSI, we have all those things, get it cleared from the customer. It's made in India. It's part of a security. So we don't do as a just software distributor, we don't have any hardware, we don't even do firewalls. But this is something different. This is something in AI, which is the need of the hour, readily available, made in India product. And as I said, we in a year, last year we did 60 events. This year we already almost 25 events are over for us. Another 15 already on the cards, plus the new ones which will be coming up in the next 6 months. So we bring in them to all this, where we identify needs. Okay, this is the place where you should be, because if you are here, it will help you grow, or it will help the people understand. So we have 28 vendors. We choose which place they will be useful, and then we bring in those vendors.
Right.
So it helps us to promote this product to the CXOs, CISOs, CEOs, and also to the partner community at the same time.
Right.
So like for Asset, we chose these two products and brought them. We have our flagship product Bitdefender, which we are not showing because everybody knows Bitdefender now. We have done
Right.
enough work last 10 years. So we try to bring in new solutions, and we bring their main team over here so that they interact and they can, discuss their idea why behind this product. And I think that he was in a little hurry, but he was able to explain this. And after his speech, we got a lot of queries on the booth also. So
Yes.
it looks good at the moment, and I hope it grows into good business for everyone.
Yes, sir. Because I have been watching your growth and journey since then,
you.
and so always great to connect. And today was a fantastic day. I
you.
saw one of your great presentation today, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for the
Thank you
time,
very
sir.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.